staring at the stars, waiting for the phone. I hear the silence, it calls your name. Feels like I'm drowning, caught in the rain. I dream of the moments we used to share, the way you'd hold me, show you cared. But now it's just the echoes in my mind. I'm counting the seconds, hoping you'll find. I'm waiting for you through the darkest night, chasing the memories, holding on tight. No matter how far, no matter how long, I'll wait for you. My heart is where you belong. The clock keeps ticking, the world moves on, but I stand still just waiting for you to come. I hear your